Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to place bets on Betway. Before we dive in, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to receive alerts every time we upload new videos. Now, let's get started. First of all, open your web browser. On the search bar, type in betway.com. Once you've entered it, you'll arrive at this web page. On this page, you need to log into your account. If you don't have an account, click on the Sign Up button at the top right corner to register. After setting up your account, click on the Login button. Enter your username and password when prompted. Click on the Login button. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Upon logging in, to start betting, you'll need to deposit some funds into your account. Click on your profile at the top right corner, then select Deposit. Choose your preferred deposit method and the amount. Click Next and enter your card details. Afterward, click on the Deposit button. Now, go back to the home page and choose a sport, for example, football. Click on any matches you want to bet on. You'll be directed to a page where you can select your odds. Choose your odds, enter your stake on the right-hand side, select the necessary checkboxes, and finally, click on the Bet button. Remember, once the bet is placed, it cannot be cancelled. You'll have to wait for the match to conclude, and if you win, you'll receive your winnings. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Also, turn on the notification bell icon to stay informed about our new uploads. I'll catch you on the next one.